Heaven network ngili rata ufela Heaven ngili rata ufela
Heaven network
Heaven network ngili rata ufela Heaven network ngili rata ufela
Heaven network
Heaven network ngili rata Heaven network
That is Devon Network Sports Avenue. Welcome. Esinibingelele babukeli bethu emakhaya siphinde sinamukele ohlelweni lethu lezemidlalo khona la ku Devon Network Sports Avenue kuyashisa umlilo. Compliments of the new season. My name is Sithokoziso Wakantshangase. In studio today I am joined by njengoba ngishilo ngathi kuyashisa kuumlilo. One of the most passionate and famous football fans, Thahlo Wani Wesiwelele. Mfethu angwamukele ngiphinde ngibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu uJemba lokhulumayo Thahlo.
Yes.
From Free State.
Thahlo no Thahlo.
Thahlo.
Okay, Thahlo.
From Free State.
Okay.
Abuang Sesotho. Yeah, ke rata hore ho batho kaofela. This is a new year and compliments for the new year. Kyalebo.
Yes. Ngizofunda isisuthu ke namhlanje.
Yeah.
I know a bit of a Setswana, but Sotho.
No, isisuthu nesitswana
More or less.
Yeah, umgoqo iwane nje.
More like isiZulu nesixhosa.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mhlambe ke ungacela bandla ukuthi ukutshela kancane ababukeli be Devon Network Sports Avenue ukuthi ubani kambe uThahlo.
uThahlo usuka Free State de Bloemfontein.
Okay.
You guys know Bloemfontein kone abalandeli abathanda ukucula kakhulu.
Yeah.
Most passionate supporters.
Yes.
Ngisuka khona ekhaya si 3 ekhaya. I'm the firstborn, then intombazana, then my younger brother.
Okay.
Ngikhulele Free State. Kisemncane ngithanda ukwe groundini. There's this thing ebebayenza ekhaya mawuya stadium. I think lento ngizokhuluma manje izosiza especially KZN. Ekhaya when it comes to Sunday makudlala i-team enkulu idlala ekhaya.
Yes.
Ingane ezincane besithathwa emgaqweni. Sihambe siye groundini. And must fika groundini we're having this agreement in a team ukuthi letha ingane e-stadium. Umuntu omdala mangena ingane ingena free. Shoot stadium. Mina mangikhokhile ticket yamuntu oyi1 izofika nengane.
Izongena for free.
Izongena for free.
Yes.
The reason is ukukhulisa lento esinayo ukuthi in the future hibona abazophatha laba.
Yes.
Thola ukuthi masingena e-stadium ingane sonke siswa ekhoneni bayibiza ngeKids Corner. Now recently siye lapho siyocula izingane kuphela. Ngalosikhathi abantu abadala bayacula ngala thina siyaculela eceleni ithina kuphela.
Yes.
Siyenzani sithatha lento esuka kuphi kwabantu abadala abaculayo ngenzela ukuthi
nibukela kubona izingane.
Sibukela kubo ukuthi hayi.
Yes. Enalo luthando lebhola leli liyavuka liyakhula la.
And wayazi if I can tell you ubaba is a Kaizer Chiefs supporter.
Okay.
And ekhaya wakhula asithengela ama t-shirt a Chiefs.
Okay.
I support the Nami Chiefs. But now when time goes on sengihamba ama games Celtic. Kagcina sengenzile choice ukuthi hayi. This is my father's team.
Yes.
This is my team, which is Celtic.
So
ngancika khona ngiyakhumula the other day ngitshela ubaba ngithi ngicela ukuthenge i-t-shirt ya Celtic. Yo wathi hey ungayikhulumi le.
Not emzini wami.
La ekhaya.
Hayi la.
Kaizer Chiefs kuphela.
Yes.
But when time goes on because of ubaba umuntu uthanda ibhola, he understand it ukuthi hayi let me leave you. Ayo supporta i-team ayithandayo. Then is whereby I get the support from home. Banginikeza imali, banginikeza banthengela ama t-shirt. Celtic then ngangena kahle ku Celtic. Mase ngingenile inkinga ukuthi eBlue mase ngingenile. Ungenile. Akuphumeki.
Okay. No, yazi usakhuluma ngeCeltics njengamanje sekuyisiwelele. Yeah. Yazi kuna into unique, a very unique ngeCeltics. Ama fans akhona ngathi nizalwa umuntu oyedwa. Ngendlela enibambisene ngakhona, ngendlela ngizothini mangabe sibuka lapha kuma screens ubumbano nokubambana. Ngisho ncula niba into eyodwa. Yini le yenza kube kanjalo?
We call it simunye. Mase grounding. There's no one that is special. All of us were equal.
Yes.
Mawuqala ingoma siyakusupport.
Yes.
Nami maqala ingoma bayangi-support.
Okay.
And uthola ukuthi most of the people abaya egroundini eBloemfontein after game they don't know the score. They don't know the score. Baya lapho kuyo enjoy. Khumbule mase stadium some of the people they've got depression. Some of people they don't have work.
Yeah.
But mase lehlangana ninonke kuyaphela lokho.
Yes.
Thola ukuthi after game umuntu akubuza ukuthi sithini iscore uthi hayi seshawe ngo2-0.
Yes.
Athi hayi sizobona next time I team yethu le. Wabona lento le ngiyafisa ukuthi like KZN kube a moment whereby iKZN supporters babeka izinto zabo eceleni babhekane ne football ya KZN because of it is not nice ukuthi you have a team like KZN uthola ukuthi after 2 years 3 years it's down the drain ayikho. It is because of we as supporters if you don't support lama team lawa ase KZN ngeke sibe ne team like KZN. Ngeke iPirates evakashela like KZN, ngeke Chiefs evakashela because of there's no team. So us as KZN supporters, let us support local teams. Nakhuluma nge-local teams, sikhuluma ngeDurban City,
Amazulu,
Richards Bay, Golden Arrows. Even ku NFD, sayisupporta iMidlands, sayisupporta Mkambathini, ABC Mutsipe.
Yes. Nansi iNetbank iyeza. So kuzofuneka sithi fill up ama stadiums. Harry Gwala Mkambathini I hope uzodlalela khona. Bangabe mhlawumbe ungadlalelwanga la eThekwini but most of the time mhlawumbe bazidlalela khona Harry Gwala kanjalo ne Midlands Wonders.
Yeah.
So nje lento ishoyo inephuzu kakhulu ukuthi no KZN nakhona kuyadinga ukuthi babambisane kuze nakhona futhi kuzoba njengakhona nje basisho ukuthi kuBloemfontein kunohlezi kunomlilo.
Yeah, no wayazi into engizoyithi ukuthi KZN is coming.
Yeah.
Abona manje bahamba kahle manje and they're starting to support each other. Yena lento ngijabulelayo.
Yes.
Ukuthi we need to support each other. Sibeka ama differences ethu ngaphandle.
Yes.
Even thina ama supporters, even ama owners ama team kumele babambisane. Yeah, kumele babambisane. iNetbank yes.
iNetbank yes.
Ngizocela ukuthi ama supporters aKZN
phume ngobuningi ku travel abantu baphume makuthi it's biza ukuthi kuyo Pietermaritzburg makubiza ukuthi kuze eThekwini Richards Bay abantu baphume bahambe basupportana amathima seKZN siqhuzela kona lokho ukuthi akubanjiswane.
Yeah, no. Ngiyathemba and I've got faith in them ukuthi this year is 2026
kuzoshintsha izinto
sizwenza izinto different
ngendlela ehlukile.
Yeah.
Okay, so ububalule uthando lakho leswelela ukuthi laqala kanjani? Okay, sahambi I mean lese Bloemfontein Celtic ngalesi sikhathi.
Yeah.
So sahamba isikhathi laphela kancane igama le Celtics ngikukhumbula ukuthi yayidayiselwa I status kwi Royal AM.
Yeah.
Yes. And then mayisidayiswa emva kwaloko kwenzakalani waphela manje ayisekho I Bloemfontein Celtic kuwenze njani?
No, even before that, Togo, perhaps we must just ask a question with yona iCeltic njengoba uthahle kumuntu who might have a bit of a background with yaphela kanjani kwenzakalani ubani owadla imali.
You know, sometimes the information that it's circulating, it might be rumors, it might be true, but into engizoyikhuluma nje ukuthi kwathi why ama players they should go and report eMaritzburg, then kwaphela kanjalo. Bahamba kanjalo. Ngiyakhumbula it was late July.
Yeah.
And on my mind, I was saying, there's no way ukuthi team izohamba at this time because league iyaqala in 2 weeks time. But surprisingly, ngabona igama lishintsha within a week.
Royal AM.
Iba Royal AM. And it was painful to Free State and South Africa community.
Yeah.
Because of ngalendlela enzeka ngayo it was painful, but sahlala phansi, you know, Bloemfontein Celtic supporters, they do have structures, and those structures they have been guided by the committee of the supporters. And I'm pleading to KZN supporters to do to do the same.
Yeah.
If you are a supporter of Arrows, you need to have a committee. You need to have a structure. Even Devon City, Amazulu. You guys have to have a structure whereby from point B to point B to point C, where should we go? So into yasenza ukuthi sibe khona. We held a meeting every month, different branches. We are having a clear communication with guys. Yes, the team, it is not there.
Yeah.
But no one will take the love of football from us. Sayithanda Bloemfontein Celtic.
Yes.
Izobuya. Sonke sathi izobuya. Then we were communicating. We even have get together. Team ingekho. We're having a get together whereby siyokhuluma sicule.
Yeah.
Si revive that passionate supporters ebayenzayo grounding.
Yes.
So
yes.
that thing it keeps the momentum going for community of Free State. And yayenza ukuthi sibambane kakhulu. Bayathi we were having a differences, but after a team was sold,
yes,
saqala sahlangana sonke sahlangana. Ngiyakhumbula there are few business people they approach us and tell us ukuthi we've bought status.
Oh man.
Then sijabule. Iliki mayivulwa there is no status. Inhliziyo sethu zibe buhlungu, but sithi ngenyilanga siwelele sizobuya, ngenyilanga
siwelele sizobuya. Man, yes.
Wafika uLing John.
Oh, Kelvin.
Wafika.
Yes.
Wakhuluma kanye nje. But I've got the team. And this is not my team. This is your team. Bakhuluma abantu abaningi, bakhuluma. Masithi PSL announcement. Siwelele.
Boom,
siwelele. I remember Osia, like Devon Network. Okay, one interview the other day, around June, July, go brilliant kuzwa tournament.
yes.
Athi baba ngizwa amahem. Kuthi hey, iteam yabuya. Ngalo sikhathi because of we have been promised a lot. Ngasaba kwi commit akithi ikhona but
ngoba bebenipromisile na
Yebo.
before but mayivula iliga ayikho team.
I was doubting and say hey yeah siya ikhona mayikhona sizo support
Yes.
deep down ukuthi usiya wayazi ukuthi lento ivusa ama dent kanjani because we have been hoping for so
And
many years.
kungenzeki.
Wafika uLink Jong wathi mina
Wathi ngiyanikhipha egibhiti.
Mina ngiLink Jong.
Ngiyanikhulula ke manje buyani ekhaya.
athi buya
Abantu ababuye bebedukile beko Soweto beko KZN buyane eBlue manje.
Sabuya isiwelile.
Yes. Nabuya ngathi
Sabuya.
azange nahamba.
Sabuya isiwelile and one of the things engithanda ukuthi personally I need to thank uChem uLink Jong sir you have done a lot as uchairman wethu and inhliziyo yakho siyayithanda kakhulu because of ubuyisile isiwelile siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga che siyabonga.
Yes. Okay. So usakhuluma ngakho ukuthenga kwestatus sokubuyiswa kwegama le ngizothi Bloemfontein Celtic ngoba nama supporters eBloemfontein Celtic manje sekuyiswelele. So into eshintshile lapha igama ukuthi it's no longer Bloemfontein Celtic but it's sekuyiswelele manje. Sithenga kuphi istatus ku SuperSport United from Pretoria. Akukuningi okushintshile. Ngikhuluma ngama players asakhona kuswelele bese waboya ku SuperSport. The likes of Vincent Pule o Nico Vuchu khona manje sekukhona no Happy Mashiyane Samkelo Zwane Neo Rapo ubani futhi bakhona Sayile Christian Sayile
Olepasa
Zakhele Lepasa one of the biggest names la eSouth Africa bakhona so angeke ngisho ngisanda ukuthi siwelele i-team enje ku-PSL no ayikho yintsha maybe singasho ukuthi igama kuphela lishintshile and akhona namanye ama similarities esiwabonayo nje mhlambe kuma sponsorship uJohnson usakhona ubuyile naweza ngalana kwiswelele mhlambe nje ngomlandeli ikuphi okunye ongakufisa ukubona kuedeka eteamini
you know into engifuna ukuyisho mina from my personal view ukuthi yes we bought the status from SuperSport now it is Siwelele FC and one of the good things chairman ayenzile SuperSport ifamily SuperSport ibeqashile abantu SuperSport ibenawo abantu abasebenza khona so umuntu omnyama uthanda into ngeke uthathe into uyisuse ebantwini uyenze ukuthi labantu balahlekelwa umsebenzi labantu banayo imndeni so uLink Jong uchairman wethu wathi wayazeni ngizoyithatha injalo ngeke ngixoxe umuntu ngizosebenza ngabo labantu because of I'm having a support from home Bloemfontein that's why ubona the time go announcewa ukuthi isiwelele is back wabona ama supporters a SuperSport lapha ekhaya eBloemfontein they were there and to me into kumele ukuthi biyenziwe the time Bloemfontein Celtic ihamba but we didn't get that opportunity but now since isiwelele ikhona mina istructure si right into bayidinga nje ukuthi si support and isupport esibanika yona izwenze ukuthi basuke lapha khona bayele and into emnandi uchairman wethu uthi guys you know this year ngifuna into eyodwa kuphela survive relegation
yes okay
so we are building wayazi if you check bakhona abadlali ngikhuluma ngabadlali abadlulile there are those players like Abo Skalvik basuswa ku Chiefs bayiswa ku Bloemfontein Celtic kuthi hayi icareer yakhe iphelile abo Close ukhulelo basuswa kuthi hayi hambani le ku Bloemfontein Celtic icareer yenu iphelile you know what happened in Bloemfontein noba ukuthi you've got problems kanjani noba ukuthi awudlale kahle but mawufika eBloemfontein uzodlala kahle
uzovuka
you know the reason is ungaphakathi ku stadium ubona bonke abantu baculela wena you will end up changing.
The support, the love.
You will end up changing.
Yeah.
And udlala ngenhliziyo evulekile.
Yeah. So, usakubalula ukuthi uthi uchairman into engifisa ukuyibona yenzeka ukuthi ni survive relegation.
Yes.
Njengamanje isiwelele siku position 11 ku log ya PSL.
Yeah.
Just above Marumo Gallants. I think Marumo na 15, then in how many points? 16?
16,
yeah, out of 15 games.
Yeah.
4 wins, 4 draws, nama lose I think 7.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mhlambe njobe to chairman ku survive relegation. Ake sikhulume ngendaba yokungena mhlambe lapha ku top 8. Ngiyazi ukuthi i-team lapha ku number 8 manje TS Galaxy with 21 points.
Yeah.
Mhlambe nishana go 4-5 points. Ngabe likhona ithemba nje kwamanje izobuyile ngomhla ka20 ukuthi sikanibona lapha ku top 8 kanjani?
You know, I've get the chance to go team before the end of December, before Bavala. Ngibe part their training session, part yasiwelele. The time they were playing at Durban, Badalane, Amazulu.
Yeah.
I remember that day we were launching Isiwelele Football Supporters Club. Sine branch la eThekwini.
Okay, that's nice.
Sine branch la eThekwini.
That's
Yes.
nice.
Sine branch la eThekwini.
Yes.
Siwelele eThekwini branch.
Okay.
Yeah, inama members amaningi kakhulu. And strange.
Fanele ngizonjoyina nami.
Hoza.
Ngingibezi.
And into strange ukuthi even abantu abala ekhaya la KZN they've joined Siwelele.
Okay.
They've joined it.
Isiwelele.
Siwelele because of thina into ethu yi1. As Siwelele we gonna attend ama games ala eKZN. All the games lama team ala sizwa support because where are we? We are in KZN. And KZN nzani iletha Siwelele la. For us to appreciate KZN, we say as Siwelele eThekwini branch, we're gonna support the KZN teams.
Yeah.
Into one nje sesihlukanisa amabadlala neSiwelele. Like next week sidlala neRichards Bay.
Nedbank Cup. I-fixture.
Richards Bay.
It's Richards Bay against Siwelele.
Ekhaya. So into ethi like KZN la.
Yes.
Yeah.
So manje lento ye top 8 niyangena. Ikhona ithemba.
Sizongena kahle. Sizongena kahle because of there's this young guy angifuna ukumkhuluma ngegama. People they write him off. But what I can tell you, the boy is back. Wajima neSiwelele. Soon uzozwa ama announcement.
Hayi sesijahile kumbona.
Soon lizozwa ama announcement.
Yeah, but I mean, like, let's be very honest and realistic about the whole issue. Masibheka indlela enenze ngayo up to this far. It really doesn't show ukuthi nayi capability or agility ukuthi ningaphusha nibe ku top 8 yini kangaka locabanga ukuthi ingashintsha or you just waiting for a certain miracle from somewhere.
Yeah, truly speaking, we didn't have a pre-season because of, as you know, Isiwelele ifike ko late. If I can recall, it was 2 weeks before league ivulwa. And coach wafika sekudlala ama games. I think preparation it was not good.
Was not good.
That's why ubona ukuthi we have struggled ukuthi sithola ama points. We struggle ukuthi even ama home games we lose home games. And tradition yethu eBloemfontein you don't lose. Home game you don't lose.
You don't lose home games.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sisakhuluma nje sise lapho njengamanje ama team enza ama media signings.
Yes.
And ayike announcement engisayizwile yeSiwelele.
No.
Kwenzakalani?
Thina Siwelele senza izinto ngendlela zethu in our own fashion. You will end up knowing abantu abasibasayinile maybe on the last day of closing
The window transfer.
Yeah. But bakhona abantu but futhi tina we believe in our structure, we believe in our youth. If you check now, DDC team yesiwelele, you number 3. And abanye abadlala lapho, they went to World Cup under 17.
Yes.
And labantu badlala ku DDC. So we've got future ahead of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So mangathiwa ke naka ama signings akhona ngokwakho as ungafisa yipi signing wena ungayifisa ukuthi onolo yazini le masinga eda lapha ya noma mhlawumbe kule position kusiwelele ubani umdlali
For now, because of the talent that we have,
yes
angiboni ukuthi ikhona iplayer kumele sign. Angiboni ukuthi ikhona iplayer esimele sign.
Nizo survive isizini iziphele
We will survive. The only signing hilebe ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi this guy bamrightile off abantu. Bamrightile off. We're going to revive his career. And also sign nesiwelele. Ukhumbule ku DDC sine ustriker lapho. Osuka like KZN Mathunjeza. Abangamboni. Mina from KZN I know him.
yes
Abantu abakaze bangibona. Bazombona masangena abona manje uma
abomthi
uhambile uye epheshe uvula isikhala ukuthi afike na abuye. Yeah. And Tena we do have players. Ukhumbule Zwani from Chiefs, he's still there. Lepasa bakhona just ukuthi they didn't have game time. Yeah. So I think this season
Samkelo Zwane
yabona.
And you also have Tebogo Pontsane.
Abona lo. Hayi.
Yo.
Where she's bafethu alikaze libona uPotsane. Mina uPotsane ngimkhulisile. uPotsane I know him from Bloemfontein. We were living in same street with Potsane. I know Potsane from the childhood. And begin support. There's one team that I was supporting Bloemfontein at ABC Motsipe. You know that guy Mabambi Ball. I agree defender. Bese memeza song esithi penalty. Sayazi ukuthi mangena ku 18 vele penalty. Babatha abantu sithenga ama games.
Yes.
It is because of we know him. Mina ngithanda ukuthi even like KZN ama team alaikai they should open training. They should do the open training whereby they will invite the supporters to come and have a look. Because some of the things masihlele sise stand umuntu angayenzi kahle. We tend to say substitute and we don't know the capability of that guy. But if you see him from the gym, from the training, then you will say, hey, you know, today it is because he's having a bad game. This is a good player. But Tinasama supporters, we don't have information about our teammates. We don't know where they are training. We don't know what time do they are going to train.
Yes.
Because of now, if they train at town, if we want to go to town, but train at 10, I will make a means of going here and your book just to analyze my personal view. Okay, itimi idlala kanje. Okay, lo udlala kanje. Okay, wabona.
Yeah.
Ube familiar with the team. Thina ekhaya team my gym aselapho. After game sikhuluma nama players. Sikhuluma nabo sikhiphe lento eLatin.
Yeah.
So that when they go into the state to the ground, they should know ukuthi they carry how many people at their back.
Yes.
Ake sibe political kancane wethahle. Siyabona njengamanje uqoke ijezi lebafana for which previously kuye kwanezinkulumo eziningi from ama supporters. I think you were part of it as well. Whereby inikhala ngokuthi especially njengoba sibuya kwi AFCON nje enikhala ngendaba yokuthi kubukeka ngathi kunepolitiki ekhona lapha makuchuzwa ama supporter mhlambe that are going to be sponsored or funded ukuthi bakwazi ukuyoparticipate ba support I team. If inhlelo enjengalezo seyiqalile noma mhlambe ake sibuze nje kuwena umuntu who's directly involved naleyo crisis ukuthi womunye wababona nivaleleka ngaphandle nibone sekunabantu ekuthiwa mhlawumbe base Morocco baye kwiAfcon bazosupport Bafana but thola some of them awukazi ubabone ngisho egroundini beyo attend iball while nina abantu who are loyal fans or loyal supporters of football are not included.
You know, I have to be wise when I'm answering this question. Firstly, ngiba emotional. The reason is you wanna support Bafana Bafana. You are given a platform. Ukuthi mangidlala ama games la in South Africa, you must go and support Bafana Bafana. Personally, I will direct that question to me. Tahlo. Tahlo, do you attend Bafana Bafana games? No.
No.
Tahlo, do you attend PSL games out of KZN?
No.
No. You're based only in Durban. So me now on my side, I've made peace with it. Oguti, I'm not going to Morocco. Because of me now, Giatanama games are like KZN. I think that is the downfall. Yam. Because I'm attending only KZN. But now going forth, Lizomono Tahlo attend ama games in South Africa out of KZN. Lizomono Tahlo supporter ama teams. A traveler out of Durban. Aphume.
Yes.
Yeah, but the question Tahlo here.
Yeah, quick question yakho.
Yes.
Yes. Kubhlungu ubona abantu bahanjiswa kuya ku Africa Cup of Nations. Some of them you don't know them. Some of them you know them. But before you talk, have a full information what is going on. Mina I'm glad ukuthi uBhota Msila is my best friend. Ngiyakhuluma naye. Isikhathi eside ngiyakhuluma naye. And kulendlela engihambayo, some of the things he showed me ukuthi kohanja kanje, because umuntu omdala uhlezi alapho mabona. Just ukuthi some of the things abantu abakwazi ukusikhuluma publicly ukuthi wayazi kunje. That's why ngihambile. Mabona. But what I can tell ukuthi some of the things as our supporters, we don't have information about it. Mina personally, I won't be angry to those people that went to Morocco.
Morocco, yes.
I'll be happy, and even now I'm happy ukuthi they've represent South Africa
yes.
Go Africa Cup of Nations. So question yakho ithi ngifila kanjani?
Yes, it's ufila kanjani ngoba ngikunika i-background encane nje. I'm sure you quite aware of uSibongeleni osupport amaZulu. He's one person oke wayiraise leyo nto ukuthi kwi-list ekusuke kufanele travel ne-team kushuthi ingene under leyo package ye-sponsorship whatsoever esuke izokwenziwa, bahleze bepromise ukuthi they going to be part of it. Then suddenly mase kuthiwa kuyahanjiwa, whether kiwe eBloemfontein, whether kiwa eTunisia, Morocco, Ghana, wherever, uthola ukuthi they don't make it to that list. Kodwa ekuqaleni kwayo yonke into kusuke ukuthi bazoba khona. Surprisingly sekuqhamuka abantu abangalazi ngisho ile queen ezingalazi ngisho ibhola ukuthi liyini, ezingazi ezazi mhlawumbe ukuthi khona Nteko Modisa kuphela, then they are the part of the traveling team. That's the issue.
you know, like ngisho ngithi sometimes we need to have the information first before ukhuluma. That's why ngithi some of the information abantu abakwazi ukuyikhuluma publicly uthi ngihanjisiwe ubani ngihanjisiwe ubani
ngoba kunje.
yes, but what I can tell you ukuthi kulabantu lawa libabona bahambile baye eAfrica eAfcon, some of them lapho they went there with their own expenses. But when we sit here sihlele la sithi bahanjiswa labantu.
And there's this one lady that I know.
Yes.
She's my varsity friend. Use Morocco as we speak. Ngemali yakhe.
Yes.
Yeah, so ngiye point in lakho lelo show ukuthi abanye bahambile yisi basi ngemali yabo.
Yes, that's why before you raise your concern, have a clear information ukuthi ubani ubahambisayo bahambe kanjani bahlangana nobani. Ngiya kulento bengikhuluma eqaleni ngithi 2026 sidinga ukuthi as siyama supporters against KZN, we must stand up and we must be semunye. Because of, for example, if ngifuna mina I'm a business man, mhlambi nginemali ngifuna ukuhambisa abantu about 10, hasikho structure like KZN la siyazi ukuthi mawukhuluma ngama supporters direct sikhuluma nobani, because everyone unendlela ayenza ngayo.
Yeah.
Then mina mangi businessman ngifuna ukuhambisa abantu about 10, ngithi guys I've got this, ngifuna abantu abayi 10, utholakala ukuthi ngeke bavele labantu. Kuyolanda abantu abahleleli abakazi bahamba,
Noma mhlawumbe ukuthi ubani oyizwe iqala le information
Yes.
then agijime athi ngikhona nami kodwa
Yes.
the real fans uthola ukuthi akazwanga lutho ubone sebona ku TV uthi
Yes.
nangubani.
that's
Yeah.
why thina as a KZN we need to have a structure, one structure. And the structure is kumele sikhulume neSAFA KZN, kumele le structure iMEC asiyazi le structure is wonke ama department when it comes to government, sports, kumele bayazi ukuthi le structure sihamba kanjani. And nathi siyama supporters we need to rethink how we support. And I'm glad ukuthi sikhuluma ngale ndaba le ya AFCON,
Yeah.
le ndaba kuhanjiswa abantu. You know, this year I've made a promise to myself ukuthi ngeke ngiphinde ngicele ama complimentary tickets to go to the stadium. You know why?
Why?
It is because of as supporters we demand complimentary tickets, which is wrong. Kumele sikhokhe ama ticket, and ukukhipha imali yakho uthenga ticket wenze ukuthi iArrows isustain
Yes.
istatus, wenze ukuthi Durban City isustain ama players,
That's true.
wenze ukuthi amaZulu
That's true.
isustain istaff asayo.
Yes.
So as our supporters this year we need to rethink and say yini engilethayo mina to the team, yini engilethayo to KZN teams. We must stop asking for complimentary tickets.
But I'll argue to that point you are raising. Ngokujwayelekile i-team ne-team noma ngeke ngibe very accurate ngoba angizazi inamba eqondile. But what I know, yonke team inama tickets, I think that is more than 25, 30 tickets, which are the giveaways. Kusekwenzelwa ukuthi mhlawumbe the closest fans banga benefita kulawo mathikithi, abazali ama parents wama players anga benefita kulawo mathikithi. Let's put it in this light. Let's say lawo mathikithi awu 30, then kusala awu 5 mhlambe sekunikezwe abazali babadlali and stuff. Then kube sekuthathwa ama tickets lawo awu 5 ayonikezwa mhlawumbe abafana nje lokishini who doesn't even support the game, who are not part of the game. Sikhona thina as ama loyal fans. Is it fair?
That is not fair. That's why I'm saying mina I've sacrificed a lot with football, especially KZN, whereby uthola ukuthi umuntu okuthembisa ama-ticket, because ngijwayele ngoya stadium athi bafo I've got 30 tickets. Now we've got ama-socials siposte sithi hayi usibani uzosinikeza ama-ticket amangaki, sicela ukuthi ufike e-stadium early sikwazi ukunikeza lama-ticket. Most cases uthola ukuthi masifika lapho abantu ba-switch off ama-phone, abanye wamfonela ugcina angayibhambanga i-call yakho. Now you have promised abantu ukuthi there's a ticket bangaphandle, and in that instance begitshela mina ukuthi I'm not gonna go inside the stadium before these people. Uthola ukuthi abantu bathi tahlo thatha ticket kithi ilethe, but now I've brought people bakumele ukuthi bangene, but angikwazi ukuthi ngibashiye ngaphandle, kumele ngingene nabo. In most cases ama team like KZN banikeza ama complimentary tickets to the people that don't support ibhola, and it is painful for us because tena sicula the whole 90 minutes. Sicula the whole 90 minutes. Sikhuluma nabantu ukuthi masiyo supporter i-team kanje. On our socials on Saturday morning siyakhuluma ukuthi bafethu siyathenda i-game kanje.
The whole 90 minutes sikho nesikhathi ukuthatha i-content,
the whole 90 minutes
abantu abathola ama-tickets abantu abathatha i-content e-stadium.
Yes,
they don't even understand what is happening
even
there.
One player they don't know even one player. So that's why we came to this decision with our team. Hey, wayazi ngiqalile le ndaba le ngingamentionanga abantu bangihamba nabo. There's this group esivulile, it is Simunye we are one football supporters. Simunye we are one football supporters, it means kumena sihlangane sisonke, and le team le yavulwa wabantu abayi3, which is Ningi, Dumakute, Lazolo, Notahlo, C3. Sathi sivula.
I think we must invite Usis Ningi one of the days.
Yeah.
Yes. Ningi.
Because of those are those people that are always encouraging, especially mina. And yeah, nas personally when ngikhuluma ngaye, hey, giba touched because of mina I wanted to give up. But no, there's no way. Push. There is no way push. So that's why we came to this decision this year. Let us rethink as our supporters.
Yeah.
Sifuna ukuthi Masia Stadium, people they must have that thing ukuthi we didn't get our complimentary tickets. We bought them.
Yes.
So that means nabo they need to buy our ticket. Yes, mavelile ama ticket ama complimentary. Yes, avelile, but motive this year as we supporter ya KZN must take ama ticket bafethu.
Thengwe nama-ticket.
Magiwe
stadium makushaya sold out.
Yes.
Sold out asingayigcine Soweto kuphela, but nase KZN ayibe khona. Yeah.
Isoba khona.
Yeah. Thahla mhlambe nje towards ukuvaleka kweshow ngiyazi usithoko mhlambe secabanga ukuyivala there and there, but khona into ekufanele mhlambe siyithole I branch mark yakho e-stadium. I'm sure kunalendlela abantu abakurecognize ngayo for which udlala i-percussion, abanye bazothi isigubhu, basuthi bayibitsa ngimeropa and stuff. It's kind of different because it gives a different and a unique vibe mangabe use stadium. Awusithatha usibeke ukuthi what inspires you to say no, mina ngifuna ukuvela ngalendlela as a football fan?
You know, it's a tricky question yakho, but mina as Tahlo Jemba, I think.
How heavy is this stuff?
Light. Oh. Very light, very light.
Yeah.
By biza ngejemba ne.
Oh.
Djembe, yeah, Djembe.
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 Okay.
Yeah, and we've got different kind of djembe.
Okay.
This one ibizwa ngoMadagascar.
I need to get one for
I
myself.
think people they don't know. This one
Yes.
normally they use it at Madagascar. Yeah. And there are those ones that are built in East Africa. They've got their own shape. If you check this one, the shape it is different, like the one in East Africa. And Djembe, it is very simple, but it needs passionate people.
Okay.
You know, I'm glad to go to Eastern Cape. I was the first to introduce this at Eastern Cape.
Oh wow.
Now, as we speak, there's a lot of people.
Mm.
Abayidlalayo lento le.
Manje itholakala laphi ithengwaphi?
Mawuyifuna kumele uxhumene nami eceleni. Bese sikusiza. Yeah, I've got how many? 2. 3,
Abukeli
2.
emakhaya mawuyifuna. Nakutahla uzoxhumana naye eceleni. Siyayidinga ngempela stadium. Kube nama vibes angempela. Yes.
Yeah. So into yami ila. Djembe it is a healing drum because of bakhona abantu base stadium. We've got different religions.
Yeah.
Esinye isikhathi mangidlala stadium uzomuntu athi uvusa izinye izinto bafu.
Hawo.
Ngithi hayi asimina ukushaya la abomkhulu bami. Abomkhulu bami. You need to respect this. Lento ayithinti noba ubani. Lento kumele ube ne passionate.
Mawuyithinta.
Mawuyithinta mawuyidlala. Kumele uyitreat. Ukuthi sound iphume kanje. Iya treat lento.
Oh.
There's this guy Mdloti, is a white guy. Drum shake. Izinto zami zihamba khona. I-treatment ehamba khona. Uya streeter. I was begging nje uya streeter.
Ayifunile ukubekwe elangeni. I know ukuthi
elangeni there's a minimum time that you need to uzibeke elangeni to isound iphume.
Sabelo ngiyazi ukuthi ngeyigubhu zethu yabo zendlama. Kumele ziface ilanga in order for them ukuthi zibaluleke kakhulu sound. So le ayidinga ubeke elangeni.
No, le uyayibeka elangeni but awuyibeka isikhathi eside.
Oh.
Because of my bega isikhathi eside. This is a skin.
Yeah, damage.
Iskin must thola ilanga kakhulu. Even now umuntu makathola ilanga kakhulu. Iskin sakho siya crack. Siya crack. So akumele uzibeke elangeni for isikhathi eside because asiso crack. Akumele wabona le ngizoyikhuluma ngiyicela kwabantu ba support ama team. Isigubhu asifuna amanzi. You know, there's this incidents whereby kudlalwa enye game kunetha kakhulu. Ganga skip isigubhu and people they were offended. They were saying no, Tatlo wayitshela uTatlo. Angikwazi uku-explain to everyone ukuthi guys imvula magnetha kumele ukuthi sithola amanzi.
Oh.
So this is a platform ukuthi ngigeva tshelo manje ama supporters
Swadinga amanzi.
imvula mayina
Aliki drum. All right, Tatlo.
amanzi hayi
Swadinga Tatlo ngikuza kahle mfethu.
Yeah.
Sesifike ekugcineni kwehlelo lethu. Siyabonga kakhulu mhlambe ke just in short yini le message le ahead of the season, ahead of iBetway Premiership siyaziyeqa very soon.
Yeah.
Yini le ongafisa ukuthi uyidlulise message kubalandeli? Not abesukelele nje bodwa but Betway Prem.
Yeah. Before ngikhuluma lento oqeda ungibuza yona ngithi bakhona abafowethu I didn't mention them and it won't be nice if I didn't mention them. Kulendlela yethu le yokuhamba kwe stadium kuya kuphi ngithanda ukudlulisa this message to olunwabo. You know,
Lonwabo shorts.
Lonwabo Short.
My brother.
Ngikhuluma ngomunye umuntu ukuthi sometimes mangihleli ngethi I didn't do much for him. But inhlizweni yami bekufuna ukuthi ukulonwabo keep going lonwabo ungashishi. The way ungakhona my brother ngiyacela don't change and labantu abasizayo uNkulunkulu uzokubusisa when time goes to end. And Uma Pensela, you know guys, Uma Pensela he was involved in an accident.
Yes.
Sehamba le bholo leli. So no Uma Pensela naye ngithi kuye Uma Pensela ijourney yakho mngani wami you've got a long way to go. The way pusha kakhona keep it that way. So ngiyabonga kakhulu Uma Pensela lo nwabo. Phinde futhi ngibonge uNingi Dumakude.
Yosh.
Mashange.
Yeah.
Naye kulendlela le esihambayo. She's so supportive. And wayazi ukumnande kanjani mawenza izinto nomuntu okusupportayo it will be very very easy way or easy journey. So ngithanda ukuthi kuye ngiyabonga ngesupport yakhe ngeeverything ayenzela mina everything esiyenza together ngiyabonga kakhulu. Lazola mfethu hayi wena uskim sam sePirates ngithi kuwe Lazola hayi masiphusheni bafethu masiphusheni. I-league iseqalile. Ngifuna ukuthi kwama supporters sonke jikelela bafethu i-league iqalile. Let us go out and support wonke ama team ala uhlala khona endaweni yakho. Let us go and support because now AFCON iyaphela. AFCON enye futhi years sicela ukuthi the next AFCON let us do better when it comes to attendance. Let us attend, all of us. Let us attend. When you know ukuthi ufuna ukuya eAFCON 2027 angithinte lapho siyikhuluma sihambe sonke. Ngithinte lapho sikhulume sihambe sonke. Lento lokulinda ukuthi silinda bani?
World Cup manje useduze. Kodwa iAFCON.
World Cup upresident wale hey ama restriction akhe.
Yeah.
Already mina ngiyabona ukuthi sengilate because of kumele apply ama visa and when it comes to South Africa applying visa to America is a problem.
Yeah.
So la bazohamba bafethu cele lizi represent kahle mangenzeka ukuthi sihambe nathi sizol represent kahle but yeah my focus mina ku 2027 AFCON.
Yeah. All right, sibonge kakhulu ke babukeli beDurban Network Sports Avenue lapho emakhaya there is Mr. Udahlo. Yey, isupporter olizwa likhuluma ukuthi uthando lisekujuleni kwenhliziyo. Asikeqediki. Kukhona usobancane enginiphathele yona. Yey niyasazi isimanga uzongena manje. Ningahambi.
I-message ingenile he baba izolo
he baba
ngiyatolisa mama
he baba
we mama i-message ingenile
he baba
izolo ngiyatolisa mama we mama we mama we mama we mama we mama we mama Durban Network singenile izolo ngiyaxolisa mama we mama
We mama.
Yes, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi hey namhlanje ngiphethe intwana encu usobancane omncane istar sebhola igaba lakhe oluthando wakagcwenza lapha yana ku Highlanders Academy yasemlazi ephethe yena ke lapha yana ucoach obungwengwe Bhuti mncane, angikwamukele ngiphinde ngibonge ngesikhathi sakho.
Ngithanda ukubonga kubabukeli nabalaleli. Lona lapha phambi uLthando wakagcwensa. Njengoba bese ngichazile uMadam Mrs. Bengathanda nje ukumdedela aqhubeke.
Ha, Bonnie then. Yeah, uneminyaka emingaki?
Mina ngina 15 years.
Una 15 years. Qani udlala ibhola?
Mengirealize kahle. Ekudlaleni kwami ibhola ngalidlala ngisahlala nobaba. Noma khona ekhaya sasigejana nobaba ebuya ngibuza ukuthi wakwabona ba ekhaya idlala ibhola. Asibuye sibuye sixabana, ngibuye ejimini, mangibuya late. Ayibuyisho futhi leyo.
Ishinduko. Just ukhohlwa umsebenzi wesikole.
Sibuye yabo noma kwakona nje ukuthi sasixabana kodwa nje kona nje ngaqala ngisamncane mengikhumbula ubaba wayesakhumuza sesukile. Maybe ngangina 11 years.
Yiphi le team ebuyidlalela uqala ukuyidlalela? Oyikhumbulayo ukuthi okay, ngaqala ngadlalela le team, ucoach wethu kwakubani?
Mangikhumbula kahle ngadlala iRovers.
Eyakuphi iRovers?
Yase Ndwedwe eMatata.
Oh, okay.
Ngisadlala iRovers, amatata Rovers, amatata Rovers. Angisadlalela wona, mengikhumbula kahle. Ngoba after lapho ngasuka ngahamba ngase ngathatha uma. Ngase ngahamba ngahlala noma. Uma na-ke wakwazi ukuthi angiseke italent elingazi ukudlala, wangiseka ngase ngibe ngifike esigabeni sokuthi ngikwazi ukuhamba ngiye kwi-academy.
Yeah. iHighlanders.
Ngaqala kwi-Cats and Future Stars.
Okay, KZN Future Stars, okay.
Ngaqala khona ngabona ukuthi noma ngingahamba kahle uma wazama ungishintsha kwi-academy kepha sengena kuye Highlanders Football Academy.
Okay, imuphi lo coach lo kwi-journey yakho yonke yefootball omkhumbula ungamkhohlwa nominini ukuthi lo coach lo wake wangimotivate nominini ngeke ngimkhohle?
Coach Masi.
Coach?
Abo Coach Masi.
Coach Masi.
Besimbiza Coach Masi.
Halala Coach Masi.
Wamngo lo coach. Beqhuquzela bekutshela ama player. Buyihlulela wena bo lo coach lo anami ngimkhohlwe. Uyena coach bekwazi ukudiscipline kahle, akwazi ukukhuluma nawe, ahlale kahle nawe phansi, akulungise. Abo nje lo coach.
Akukhumbuza ukuthi uyingane umdlali futhi
indlela oyiphatha ngayo, akukhumbuze nasesikoleni uthi yabona
fanele kufunde.
Kumele ulungise, ungabusuna khona kuphela ngoba kuyenzeka singaphumeleli sonke
yabo.
Hayi kodwa yena Coach Masiya wenzi
yena uhamba phambili. Okay, yiphi position oyidlalayo?
Attacking midfielder ne wing.
Okay, imuphi umdlalo obukela kuyena ku-PSL noma umthandayo?
My favorite Obrigado.
Fundo Vilakazi.
Vilakazi.
Usupportani?
Bona sana Star. Mamelodi Sundowns.
Oh, suppose Mamelodi Sundowns kodwa uthanda Mfundo Vilakazi. Sundowns awuthandi umuntu?
Sundowns. Khona phela bengibulela kuyena uRibeiro noma khona seshile kuSundowns. But uRibeiro naye bengenzela okuhle yabo.
Okay, manje mawubheka iSundowns uyithatha ne league lesizwe maphela ngathi Pirates ngenhlakweni.
Awuyithatha ngenkani. Yabo nje wasayina ama player. Asuyithatha ngenkani.
Nisayine bani? Nisayine bani?
Silanda umdlalo wayo ngokwesi Pirates kusalenge. Zobakhuthuza ngayo.
Ngizobakhuthuza ngayo. Awusuka.
Bazombona usalenge. Bayibuka inyamalala.
Ngizobe nibadla komdlalo wayo.
Bayibuka inyamalala league. Baxaxa kwenze njani?
Kube ukushona kwelanga ukuthi nje.
Abawuthiwa wabona lapha sihamba naye league.
So, awungitsheleke kubantu abangangawe age abadlala ibhola, ikuphi into ongafisa ukuthi ubaqoqozeleke noma yipi message ungafisa ukuthi uyidlulise kubona ontanga yakho?
Bafethu kontanga bami. Bonke abalingana nami nabangaphansi nabangaphezulu abasadlala ibhola. Bengifisa nje kubona ukuthi asizameni bafethu singayeki ukuzama. Asingayeki ngempela bafethu. Noma phela kungesiphumelele ngezikhathi ezifanayo. Wonke umuntu unesikhathi sakhe, uNkulunkulu nomuntu umbelo kwakhe. Bengicela nje ukuthi kubafethu siqhubeke siphusheni ocoach bahlonipha abazali emakhaya. Sifunde nasesikoleni. Abona nje bafethu. Nalo lesikhathi sitholayo kubabona nje abadala abanye bafisa ube bakulesi sikhathi osithola kwa wena manje yikho bengithi aya kubafethu ngiyacela ukuthi baphushe ngempela abafethu ngoba la ngaphandle
kushubile
mhlawumbe okunye nje Sithoko esingafisa ukuzwa kuyena umshana ukuthi leme khona njengamanje yini ikuphi lezibona khona mhlawumbe in the next 5 or 10 years imapha amathima afisa ukuya kuwona
khona
izifiso zakhe nje sizifiso zakhe
in my future
ngokwebhola
yeah in my future mina bengifisa ukuthi ngithanda ukulelela kulamathima la KZN angijaha ukuthi ngihambe ngiyodlala ko Sundowns ngiyodlala ko Kaizer kulamathima aphezulu bengakujabulela nje mhlawumbe mathiwa ngidlalela amaZulu nje ku Arrows nje kanje
Durban City or Richards Bay
kuze ngizokwazi nokukhulisa ipage lawo lamathimi la awetha la KZN because mina ngowala KZN ngokuhlala
yeah iyiphi nje team kulawa ongafisa ngempela ukuthi ngiqale ukuthi ungene kwi development yabo ukhule khona uzube negama impela elikhulu
amazulu nje la amazulu engafisa noma nje siye nje sidlale nawo swabhaxe nje
nika ndlale namazulu niwashaye awusuka madoda uyazi la ngalibalela iSports Academy
angiyasa
niyadlala naso
besingazi sitholani na mengirila kahle ku under 16 ngathi batholana nawo abafethu lapho ngangahambanga under 16 la ngalibalela na kodwa nje wakhishwa yithina kwi under 16 Durban Summer League wakhishwa yithina nje
Durban Summer League lebingo December November somewhere October
Durban Summer League yona le impela
yeah
ngicanga nje ngabe nje nayo sayithatha manje ngoba nje just 1-0
ngabakithi yeah so awungitsheleke ukuthi njengoba usukudlala lapha ya ngiyazi ukuthi niyadlala ibu 11 imophi lo umdlali untaka wakho umfana omncane naye othi hey ngisho ngilele ebusuku angimucabangi wake wangithwalisa ubunzima ngasabathe wala
ayimangikhumbula kahle ayikhona umunye umfana ekuthiwa uMtho
walapho uMtho
wasetuzuma yini kodwa ngangadlalela Highlanders hayi ngimayile namfana
ngiyamcoba la
uthi basethe ngimayile lapha
sesisithathu
ngathi nje kwakuthiwa hayi akeze kumina
uthunyelwe kuwena
uyena hayi
yeah
hayi ngimayile lapha umuntu akulimaze uzuyisola ukuthi umuntu akumake futhi akumake na clean uzuyisola uzuthi hayi ngeke ufuna ukuphuma mina coach
hayi ngeke
uzubone ngathi hayi mayiduba igame uzuthi angeke
ngishiya phansi
hayi ngoba phela football ke sayithanda ngaphakathi kwenhliziyo
umuphi umdlali waphesheya umthandayo
mina
phesheya
Jude
Bellingham eMadrid
yes
all right usupport Madrid phesheya
yeah bengi-support Madrid
all right that's nice okay that is a wrap on today's episode la ku Durban Network Sports Avenue. My name is Sithokoziso Jangase. Thank you so much for the love and support enisinikeza yona. Siyabonga kakhulu ningayeki. Please don't forget to follow us kuma platforms wethu iDurban Network ku TikTok, ku YouTube as well as ku Facebook. Goodbye and take care.